sense of unlimited possibilities. You're in the world of the Holden Calibra, fully imported from Europe. The 2-liter multi-point fuel-injected Calibra Sports Coupé and the Calibraturbo 4x4. From a wealth of European motoring heritage and Germany's finest design and engineering teams, the new Calibras are grand touring coupés engineered for excitement, driving performance, total luxury, and life-saving technology are no longer mutual compromises. With Calibra, everything's full on. Smooth aerodynamic lines sleekly cut through the air, from its plunging front nose to its compact tail end. Calibra enjoys one of the lowest drag coefficients of any production car in the world, evidenced by the precision seals, the curves, the angled flush glass. Calibra's shape lets form and function work in harmony. Every perfect detail, from its heated external mirrors to its sports alloy wheels, is a marriage of functionality and aerodynamics. A sleek-bodied European sports machine, built for performance. In 2-liter manual or automatic versions, or the Turbo 4x4, the pleasure and skill of sports car driving comes alive with the exceptional driving performance of Calibra, a true driver's car driven by dynamism. The 2-liter 16-valve double overhead cam engine delivers 110 kilowatts of power, and in turbo form, an astonishing 150 kilowatts. Its Bosch digital engine management system, combined with advanced mechanical and safety systems, ensure Calibra's technical sophistication. Coupled with a close ratio 5-speed gearbox, Calibra achieves 100 kilometers per hour in 8.5 seconds, yet with excellent fuel economy. Independent rear suspension, stabilizers front and rear, and 4-channel electronic anti-lock brakes, combined with 4-wheel discs, deliver comfort and life-saving control in the one package. Seatbelt pretensioners and the split-second cushioning of a full-size driver's airbag adds the ultimate in life-saving technology. The dynamics of driving are the driving force behind Calibra's evolution. From design and technical center to Autobahn, Calibra's designers have aimed for a mechanical precision uncommon in production sports car manufacturing. But performance and sophistication can't overwhelm the sheer fun of driving Calibra. This is a genuine 4-seater grand touring coupé with interior spaciousness that belies its sporty exterior. Up to 900 liters of load space, with genuine shoulder and leg room to deliver the excitement in comfort. Calibra is engineered for excitement. From the moment you wrap yourself in its ergonomically designed cockpit, all the necessary information for control and safety is within easy reach. An instrument panel offering full driving data and function warnings designed to inform, not entertain. Everything you could possibly desire is standard. Power windows, central locking, air conditioning with pollen filter, 6-speaker stereo sound system, electric sunroof, multi-adjustable seats, and contemporary design cloth trim throughout, all guarded by the latest sonar anti-theft alarm system. The fully imported 2-liter fuel-injected Calibras are a unique experience for people who appreciate driving as much more than simply getting from A to B. Grand touring sports enjoyment, engineered for excitement. For the ultimate in European sports performance, there is now the ultimate Calibra, the new Calibraturbo 4x4. With breathtaking power, it reaches 100 kilometers an hour in an incredible 6.8 seconds. Permanent 4-wheel drive delivers the tremendous 280 Newton-meters of engine torque to the road through 16-inch turbine alloy wheels and ultra-low profile tires. Few people are prepared for the exceptional traction and cornering abilities of the Calibraturbo 4x4, which place this car in rare company indeed. A 6-speed manual transmission controls its 2-litre 16-valve engine with integral water-cooled turbocharger and compressor intercooler. Turbo lag becomes a thing of the past, as this Calibra blends unsurpassed control with unequaled power in its class. With all the luxury standards of Calibra and more, such as full leather upholstery and a 6-function trip computer, this ultimate grand touring performance coupe will turn heads with a stylish rear wing, spoiler, and sweeping side skirts. Calibraturbo 4x4, for the power, for the passion. While its competitors use luxury to mask their performance, the fully imported range of European Calibras deliver both the performance and luxury. Designed for performance, driven by dynamism, engineered for excitement. There's nothing quite like the new Calibra.